Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna. Do you want to speak English like a native? Do you sometimes feel shy or nervous when you talk? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we are going to show you how to practice English like a native speaker, step by step, in a simple and fun way.
We are really happy you are here with us today. Our topic is very exciting: how to practice English like a native. That means we will learn how to sound natural, how to use common expressions, and how to enjoy speaking English every day.
Exactly. Speaking like a native doesn't mean you must be perfect. No, it means you speak with confidence, with fluency, and with simple words that real people use in daily life.
Yes, and the good news is that you don't need to memorize thousands of grammar rules. Instead, you can focus on small steps. Speak every day, listen carefully, copy the rhythm and tone, and practice with friends. These little things will make a big difference.
Today, we will guide you through stories, examples, and real conversations. We will even share 4 sample dialogues so you can hear how people actually speak. You can repeat after us, copy our voices, and practice just like you are part of the conversation.
So let's begin. First, let's talk about why practicing like a native is important. When you use natural phrases, people understand you more easily. It feels smoother. Also, you will feel more relaxed because you don't need to translate everything in your head.
Yes, translation makes speaking slow. Imagine if someone asks you, "How's it going?" If you translate word by word, you get confused. But if you practice this phrase as a whole, you can answer naturally. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" That is the native style.
And practicing like this will also make listening easier. When you hear real conversations in movies, songs, or even YouTube, you will start to catch the meaning quickly.
Exactly. Now let's share some practical tips. The first tip is listen more than you speak. This sounds strange, but it works. When babies learn their first language, they listen for many months before they say their first words. You can do the same in English.
That's true. You can listen to podcasts, songs, movies, and conversations. Don't try to understand every single word. Just relax and enjoy the rhythm. Slowly, you will start to catch common phrases.
The second tip is shadowing. This means you listen to a native speaker and then repeat immediately, like an echo. It helps you copy the sound, the rhythm, and the intonation.
Let's try a small shadowing practice right now. I will say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?" And you, dear listener, repeat after me. Ready? "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Great job! If you practice like this for 5 minutes every day, your mouth and your ears will start to work together. That's how natives sound natural.
Another important thing is to learn common chunks of language. A chunk is a group of words that usually go together. For example, "How are you doing?" Or, "Nice to meet you." These are ready-made pieces. You don't need to build the sentence each time.
Yes, chunks are like Lego blocks. You can collect them and use them again and again. The more you use them, the more fluent you sound.
Now, let's move to our first example conversation. This dialogue is between 2 friends who meet at a cafe. Please listen carefully, and then we will talk about it.
Hey, Sarah. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Tom. I've been good, thanks. What about you?
Pretty good. I've been busy with work, but things are going well.
That's nice to hear. Do you still go jogging in the mornings?
Sometimes, yes. But honestly, I've been too tired lately.
I know what you mean. I usually jog in the park, but last week it was raining almost every day.
Oh, really? The weather has been strange. Some days it's hot, and then the next day it's windy.
Exactly. I always check the forecast, but it changes so fast.
True. Anyway, it's nice catching up with you. Let's meet again soon.
Definitely. Let's plan for next weekend.
Did you hear the natural phrases? Long time no see. How have you been? I know what you mean. These are expressions natives use all the time.
Right. And notice how the conversation flows. They don't speak with perfect grammar. They speak naturally, with short, clear sentences. That's how you can practice too.
Now let's continue. Another tip is don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Natives also make mistakes in their own language.
Yes, sometimes when I speak, I say the wrong word, but I just keep going. That's important. Keep going. If you stop too much, the conversation feels heavy.
Exactly. Think of speaking like riding a bicycle. At first, you may fall, but if you keep practicing, you will ride smoothly.
Great metaphor. Okay, our next example conversation is about two coworkers at the office.
Morning, Jack. How's your project going?
Morning, Emma. It's going pretty well, thanks. I just finished the report.
That's great. Did the boss give you any feedback?
Yes, he said it looks good, but I need to add more details.
Ah, I see. Well, I can help you if you want.
Thanks. That'd be awesome. By the way, are you joining the team meeting later?
Yes, of course. I'll bring the presentation slides.
Perfect. I sometimes get nervous when speaking in front of everyone.
Don't worry, you'll do fine. Just keep it simple and clear.
Thanks, Emma. You always give good advice.
No problem. That's what teammates are for.
This dialogue shows how people speak politely but naturally in the office. They say things like, "That'll be awesome," or "Don't worry, you'll do fine."
Yes, and notice how they support each other. When you practice English, it's good to practice with a friend who can encourage you.
Now let's move to another important skill, pronunciation. Many learners worry about their accent, but you don't need to erase your accent. The goal is to be clear and understandable.
Exactly. English is spoken in many accents: American, British, Australian, Indian, African, and more. Each one is unique and all are accepted. So don't stress. Just focus on clarity.
Good point. Another idea, practice speaking out loud when you are alone. Read a short article, a story, or even your own notes. Speak clearly. This builds your muscle memory.
Great advice. Now, let's go to the third example conversation. This time, it's between two travelers at an airport.
Excuse me, is this the line for security check?
Yes, it is. Are you traveling domestic or international?
International. I'm flying to London. What about you?
I'm going to New York. Business trip.
Oh, sounds interesting. Do you travel often?
Yes, almost every month. What about you?
Not really. This is my first time flying abroad.
Wow, that's exciting. Don't worry, the process is simple. Just follow the signs.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous, but also very happy.
You'll be fine. The staff here are friendly. Have a good flight.
You too. Safe travels.
That's a great example of a polite and natural travel conversation. They use expressions like, "Don't worry," "Have a good flight," and "Safe travels."
Yes, and you can use these phrases anytime you travel. They are short and useful.
Before our last conversation, let's talk about confidence again. One simple trick is to smile when you speak. Smiling relaxes your mouth and makes your voice sound friendly.
That's right. Also, try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. For example, when you see the sun, just think sunny instead of translating into your own language first.
That's powerful. Thinking in English helps you react faster. Now let's hear our fourth and final conversation. This one is about neighbors meeting outside their apartment.
How, Jenny? How are you today?
Hi, Mark. I'm good, thanks. Just coming back from the grocery store.
Ah, nice. Did you get everything you needed?
Almost. They were out of fresh bread.
Ah, that happens. Sometimes I go early in the morning to get bread before it sells out.
Good idea. I'll try that next time. By the way, how's your family?
They're doing well, thanks. My son just started school this week.
That's exciting. I bet he was nervous.
Yes, a little. But he's making new friends already.
That's wonderful. Well, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks. You too. See you around.
Perfect. Short, simple, natural. These are the kinds of conversations you can practice every day.
Exactly. If you use phrases like see you around or enjoy the rest of your day, you will sound like a native in daily life.
And remember, the secret is not to memorize everything. The secret is to practice a little every day.
Yes, consistency beats perfection. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference in 6 months.
So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep smiling when you speak. You are on the right path. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We really hope you enjoyed learning with us and practicing these simple but powerful tips. Remember, practicing English like a native doesn't mean being perfect. It means being confident, relaxed, and ready to use everyday phrases naturally.
Yes, and today you learned many important ideas. You learned that listening more will help your speaking. You discovered the shadowing technique, repeating after a native speaker. You also learned about language chunks, short phrases that make you sound fluent. And we practiced 4 conversations together that you can repeat again and again.
The most important lesson is this: English is for communication, not perfection. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are signs that you are learning. Every time you speak, you get stronger, just like riding a bicycle.
Exactly. And here's one final tip. Make English part of your daily life. Label things in your room in English. Think in English when you see something, or speak to yourself out loud. The more you use English naturally, the more native-like you will sound.
We are so proud of you for joining us today. You are not just listening. You are building a new skill that can change your future.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and celebrate small wins. You are doing amazing already.
Thank you so much for being part of Simple English Space. We love learning with you, and we can't wait to see you again next time. Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and remember, you can speak English like a native if you practice every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. Bye for now.